like these.
Emily, come over here. There's a big ice cream.
It's not.
Guys, come on! Let's get to the challenge. We get the stuff. Emily, whoa.
Whoa.
Hey guys, let's go.
Let's do the challenge.
Hi, Mia.
And today we are doing a slime challenge that we sort of made up, I guess. I mean, so I kind of know the rules.
He's
so
our
basically,
host, Emily. And here Emily's she's gonna be setting it
are
up
going
for
to be
us.
3 rounds. Each has one ingredient.
Guys, it's literally like
yeah, it's
15
really cold.
degrees.
Like,
It's
it's
like
like actually
30.
pretty
It's
warm
pretty warm.
compared to other days. It was negative 1 degrees the other day. We did the thing in the snow. Today it's 25. And it's getting up to like 33. So it's like, it's cold, but it's warm for negative 1 degrees the other day.
Oh my god, my ears! Stop making that sound, Sophia.
Alright, anyways guys, so we're going to, there's some slimes and things that are numbered. Emmy set them up. I'm not really sure what they are, but they're just numbers, and we get to choose our numbers 1 through 9. Okay, so Emmy can't be here while we're choosing the numbers because she's going to go set up the numbers over there, so she can't listen to us because then she could cheat and give me like something bad, like green glue or paint.
I'm sorry
I don't really
about that.
know if it's glue or
Guys,
paint.
I'm sorry about
Not
the
really
dogs
sure.
up there. We got our dogs locked up.
Okay, I'm pretty
Just know
scared.
that
Okay,
it's a
Emmy,
dog.
leave. Okay. Yeah, like
Wait,
one
hold
and
on.
two
I just
at the
have
same
one
time.
question. Is the Pokey Glitters one?
No.
Emily, is the Pokey Glitters
Wait,
one?
I don't think so because we lost the Pokey Glitters.
Okay, good.
Okay, ready? So we're gonna.
No, I
Shh.
just threw them in the woods.
Yes. Yeah.
Like in those.
All right. So me and Samir are gonna do rock paper scissors shoot to see who gets to choose first.
And then Butterwinkle gets Mia. Oh.
I win. So now I go against Mia.
Wait.
Wait, now you go against Sophia.
Why?
you
She
won.
lost.
But you, fine. Mia gets to choose first. So pick. No, Emmy. It's 1 through 9. Emmy, you set it up. What do you mean? How are you supposed to know? No, we pick 1 through 9, and you bring out. You get whatever you want.
Guys, 5, 6, 7.
Wait, we're gonna choose the number 1 through 3. Emmy, bring out all glues if you have them. Okay. Pick a number 1 through 3. So Mia, you choose first. Sorry, you messed that up.
2.
Sophia, quiet. 3. I'm gonna choose 2. There's only 1 number left. All right, Emmy, we're ready.
No, Ava, I choose 2.
Oh, 1. Never mind. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They pushed their toy off the roof.
I
need to give it to them because then they
Okay.
won't bother us.
So Emmy's got 3 colors of glue.
So, this one is 1.
Am I 1? Yes, I get the blue glue. So I got
This
this.
one is 2.
Yeah.
And this one is 3.
What are the colors?
Oh, I got yellow.
She got like pink. So I got this blue.
I'm mixing it because the
Guys,
colors that
I
we're
got this
wearing.
gorgeous light
Dump
yellow.
them in, guys.
Guys, I was actually hoping to get yellow.
Oh,
mine's pink. You just looked orange in the cup.
Oh, I thought it was red.
I thought it was orange.
Okay, mine is such a vibrant blue.
This is like a popcorn.
I like that. I'm gonna
I like
Mia's color. I like Mia's.
So yeah, I've got blue and it's looking good.
Yeah, it's looking nice. I got this pretty pink. I like it, but I wish I got like Mia's.
I like mine the best.
Yeah,
to be
I think Ava's is the best.
honest. I love this color. You know,
But I feel like mine I have to mix in more.
Mix it when it's in the bowl.
I think Emily added red, but it just ended up pink.
Yeah, maybe.
I actually like love mine so far. And there's glitter in mine. Does that mean like, why is there glitter in this one? All right, whatever.
Okay, next round.
Next round. All right, let's do rock paper scissors shoot. I think I got basically all of it out. So
it's just really
I get to choose first because I chose last time.
Yeah,
and
and
this
then
time
I
I'm gonna
get to
choose
choose.
number 3 because of you.
Then I'll choose 2. I'll choose 1. We have to choose 1.
Okay, so here are the next glitters coming in. They look like glitters. I can kind of see Emmy. So yeah, oh my gosh, we got the primary colors. Yeah, we're done.
Well, pink is not really a primary color, but
Oh yeah, it
was
looks
first
like
red, though.
reddish.
It was yeah, it was supposed to be red.
So,
Okay.
for number 1,
Oh, star glitters, lucky.
number
I don't
2,
want to get the Orbeez. Oh, wait, what are those?
and number 3.
Wait, I got these
They
like
like-
blue rocks. It matches so well with my theme.
Broken Orbeez.
Yeah, they're like
frozen.
crushed.
Me and Ava are just sticking with
Whoa,
the
yo,
theme.
guys, this is like so cool because I got blue and I got these little blue like rocks.
Me and Ava are both like
This looks
sticking
so
in the theme.
good.
Like I got gold, which is basically yellow.
confident
Oh my
in
gosh, me and Mia's go really well. And Sophia's is good too. They're like
I'm trying to
rocks.
push them as much as I can.
Okay, I think this, you can't really see the
I'm not gonna
colors.
add all of them because I think that would be too much for just
No,
a little.
you have to add
glue.
everything.
Yeah, you have to add it all.
But it's gonna be too much for just a little.
Yeah, I
glue.
feel like
Oh
you
yeah,
gave me.
that's good. That's good.
I feel like, Emily, I feel like you gave me too many star glitters.
No, sorry.
I don't love the rocks as much, but you know, it gives it a good texture.
Mine's like a party.
Oh, yours is like a marbly one.
Oh my
That's
gosh, Sophia.
Okay, that's wrong.
I don't like Orbeez and slime, that's just me. This time Sophia goes
Yeah,
first.
'cause
Mia goes second, I go third.
I'm gonna pick. I think.
Actually, I've never been second before. No, so I should go second this time. So I'm second. Mia's never. I'm not number 2. I'm saying I'm second to pick. Fine, whatever. I want to have.
No, I gotta.
Fine, sure. You go first.
I think I'm gonna do second. I'm gonna do 2.
I want 1.
I want 3.
Okay.
Wait, I actually wanted 3.
I'm 3. JK. You'll never know. Come on, Emmy. Literally make or break your slime. This is a kind of basic-y challenge. Wait, was I 1?
Yeah.
Yes! Oh my gosh! I got these beads!
Number 2, shaving cream.
Oh, okay, cool.
And number 3.
What is
Oh,
that?
it's a glove.
It's a glove. You have to cut on the fingers.
How am I gonna get this out?
Okay, I got these
Okay,
gems.
so
I feel like they are like Volbees or something.
so Mia has to cut open the fingers to see what she got.
I wonder. It looks like
This looks like not shaving cream, but like whatever.
Here, wait,
I'm
yeah,
just
you
gonna
do
use
this.
my hands.
Oh yeah, just.
I
yeah,
don't
do
like
it
the
that.
beads in my slime. My slime has a lot of texture because
Well-
it's got like the rocky thingies, and mine's staying in theme, but it's like gonna
Cut
be rough.
glove.
Here, do you
Emily,
want
can
me-
you get paper
Yeah, cut it
towels
like
now?
that.
Because it's
Oh
all over
yeah,
my
I
hand.
will.
I need to put that back.
Technical difficulties.
What
with
is
these.
it? I
don't know.
really like
Okay,
curious.
How about I'll cut you hold, okay?
This
Okay,
could either
stretch
make
it,
or break
stretch.
me a slime. What can it be?
I
Okay,
want.
okay.
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, me!
Oh!
Don't get it in mine.
Okay, I'm gonna get some.
You guys are gonna get
I'm just gonna rub the shaving cream into my hands because you know it's shaving cream. Alright.
Wait, where's the?
I can't mix my slime yet because my hands.
Mia's like it stays in theme though. You know?
I actually don't mind. It will make it crunchy.
Yeah.
Oh, I got some shaving cream on my jacket, but it's shaving cream, so I don't care.
Okay, guys. So these are our slimes. Mine is really.
I can't show you mine yet because I still haven't mixed in the shaving cream, but you know, I love fluffy slime, so kind of yay. And now it'll make it lighter.
Mine is a lot of texture.
Now it'll make it lighter because before it was like a darker-ish
Oh
red.
yeah, now it's like pinker.
Yeah. Because I need it. I need it. My hands are
Hard to
freezing.
try and add all of it. I think that's good,
And
right,
then we'll put
Emily?
the scissors on
Yeah.
top. So.
I think there's one last round. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go for. I'm like actually. Is that scam? Scam potato. Where's it?
Can I go first this round?
Hi, Sam.
Who's Scam?
Scam.
Sam.
All right, ready?
Oh my god, you got so many
Mia's-
oats everywhere.
Okay, guys, what number? I'm gonna go. Can I choose first? Cause
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna choose second. I've never gotten to choose second before.
Alright, whatever.
Actually, I'll just choose first. I'm gonna go number 1 through 4. Okay, I'm gonna pick 3.
I'm gonna pick 4.
I'm gonna pick 2.
Okay, we all got our numbers. Okay, everyone guessed some of the last one. Hopefully something good. But I would actually rather it be something bad so we all get it in. So like we haven't had that many bad things yet.
Alright, mine is actually good though. Because it's like a party slime.
Oh, it looks like.
Okay. So let's see. Number 1.
I'm not number. No one's number one.
I am. I think.
Yeah, me
I'm gonna pick 2.
is number 1.
Okay,
What
so
is
you got
it?
this.
What is it?
It's glue.
Wait, is this a different
Number 2?
slime?
I was.
Is this a different
No.
slime or do I add it?
You got it.
Wait, Eva, number 2?
You got brown.
Who was number 2?
So, no, I think that's the one that no one chose.
Okay, so everyone gets this one.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Ava.
No! Oh, I did not choose
Eva gets rice.
clever. I got rice.
And yeah, I forget what I put in that one.
I chose 4 because, it was a new number. It was new.
I got rice. No, but Mia got brown paint, so I'm doing pretty good. There's like brown paint on this, Emmy.
Yeah, it fell. And then you guys all
Oh, this
get
is just white
one.
glue.
Oh, white glue?
Yeah. It'll make it even more pink.
Okay, so you guys all get this.
Okay,
This
that's
so
enough.
went my way. This actually really went
see
my
it?
way.
Ew, now my sign is rice in
Everyone
it.
gets that.
Yuck.
It's like green, but it's not mixed in.
Oh my
sorry.
god, Emmy, you put too much rice. Look at my slime now. You know what? I'm gonna call this Cookie Monster because it's so much in it. Is this like green?
Mhm.
Give me it.
Okay, but Sophia
I
gets
like
it.
this color.
Sophia, you get the rest.
Oh my god!
Ew.
I think we all failed it, said Sophia. Emmy, get off my
Oh,
shoelace.
sorry.
Alright, that's. I'm trying to get this glue out. Can someone help me get this glue out, though? It's not coming out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Emily.
I hate oh my gosh, look at one of Mia's.
Oh my gosh, it looks like banana.
It looks like throw up, sort of. But mine looks like blue throw up, so Mia, you're not alone.
Can I see yours?
It has like rice, it has every little thing in it.
I'm just gonna, cut it.
So
I'm
you're
just
gonna rip.
Should have tied it. I would have been
Yeah,
way
I mean,
easier,
what's wrong?
Ethical than using one of your elastics.
Mia's trying to get more of the green.
That's gonna just turn it worse, yeah. Yeah, it looks like Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
I have oatmeal in my slime.
It's shiny.
Emily.
Can I see your?
Alright, I feel like that will make it prettier. It's still pretty. I like mine. It's kind of like a party slime though, because
Yeah, because it'll make it less of like that bad color. So me and Sophia kind of stuck with the same color since the beginning. I don't love my slime. There's so much going on and there's no glitter. And what's a slime without glitter?
But then in the middle of it, disasters happen.
Yeah, we've got some rice. I like the rocks, but it's kind of just chunky. And I like the gems, but now it's kind of just chunky. So a gem just makes like a giant chunky thing. And we're gonna do a little thingy of the slimes. They might turn a lighter color because we might use time. Yeah, I'm gonna activate them in my house because it's freezing outside. So we will show you the.
Hold on, can I
know
lower that greenish?
You think I would?
Do hashtag party if you think that I won, and hashtag
want
Cookie Monster if you think you won.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but hard, but it's ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am Cut me down, but it's you who have further to
enjoyed this video. Remember to comment Cookie Monster if you think I won because, you know, it's a blue little
Comment
party.
party if you think that I won.
And comment peanut butter if you think that Mia won.
Mia, show them your slime up close.
yeah.
And we're going to play a little clip of us me working out the slimes and what they look like.
And me.
So,
Don't make mine too hard.
I won't. I'm going to do them all the same. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.